Today I'll be showing an alternative way to look at returns and orders. More so returns. They have a link here that says returns and orders, but if you click on there, it shows you all of your orders, and if you want to get to the returns, it's not exactly super easy. You have to first find the item and then click on view return status. I'm covering this because it has my order numbers and stuff. Alternatively, you can get to a list of all of your returns if you just click on customer service and then returns and refunds. And then finally, it seems like a lot of steps, just 3 steps, but when you click on view your returns, it's basically going to list all of your returns that you have. You don't have to go through a list of different items and filter it. In fact, the reason why I prefer this method is because I recently received some gifts, and you have the little gift receipt thingy, and then you do the QR code or whatever. And so once you do that, they say you can return the item and you'll get your refund. But if you lose that slip, how do you find out the status? You have to go through your emails. And so I'm just showing this alternative way so that you can see a list of all of your returns. The reason why I'm not clicking on this link is because then it's going to show all my returns with my order numbers. But you click on, click on customer service at the top. Click on returns and refunds. And then click view your returns. I can try it, and then it shows too many names and stuff, so I won't be doing that. But anyways, if you want a screen that'll list just all of your returns, that will be one way of doing that. Maybe clicking returns and orders, and then you have to do a filter. I'll look that up, but I'm trusting my own ways. Again, this is good for finding returns for gifts because it doesn't actually show up in your returns and orders, not that I know of over here.